Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Insta360 release. Although the official name hasn't been confirmed yet, the next big product from the brand is almost certainly the Insta360 X5. Recently, a teaser video dropped, sparking rumors and speculation. In this video, we're going to break down why this new release has the potential to revolutionize 360-degree content creation and tech gadgets in general. The teaser left much to the imagination, but it gave us just enough to spark some exciting ideas. First, we saw a shadowy image of a 360-degree camera, accompanied by the tagline, "All day, all night, all angles." Now, while it's clear that all angles refers to the 360-degree camera we've come to expect from Insta360, the all day and all night parts are what really caught my attention. Let's explore all day first. While it's unlikely Insta360 will pull off a true 24-hour battery life, I'm betting this phrase refers to major improvements in battery performance. As you probably know, 360-degree cameras typically drain power faster than traditional action. Cameras, thanks to their dual lens setups and the need for real-time stitching, any upgrade to the battery life would be a significant win, and considering Insta360's track record, it's entirely possible that the X5 will offer extended performance. Now, let's talk about all night. The teaser showed off some stunning, low-light clips, fueling speculation that the X5 could include an improved sensor. Some rumors are pointing toward a 1-inch sensor, but realistically, it's more likely we'll see an upgraded 1.3-inch sensor. This would be a meaningful leap forward from the X4, giving the X5 better light sensitivity, reduced noise, and brighter, cleaner shots in darker environments. Insta360 has already demonstrated impressive low-light performance in their Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2 cameras, so it would make sense to bring this innovation to their flagship 360 camera. But wait, there's more. The most intriguing part of the teaser came at the very end, where a crew member swapped the lens with a suction cup tool as if it were a casual task. This quick but deliberate shot has ignited speculation that the X5 might feature swappable lenses. While it's not officially confirmed, this would be a game changer. Swappable lenses would significantly increase the camera's versatility, making it ideal for a wide range of situations, from action-packed adventures to more controlled professional settings. If the X5 does indeed feature interchangeable lenses, it could be a game changer for creators seeking a more flexible and durable 360-degree camera. The rumored upgrades to the sensor, battery life, low-light performance, and the potential for swappable lenses are creating a lot of buzz around the X5. This could be the perfect camera for anyone who wants to elevate their content, whether you're a vlogger, an extreme sports enthusiast, or even a professional filmmaker. The Insta360 X5 has the potential to be a massive step forward in the world of 360-degree cameras, offering enhanced features that appeal to a broad range of content creators. And for those of you in or around New York City, here's a quick heads up. Insta360 is hosting a pop-up event at Vanderbilt Hall in Grand Central Station on April 22nd. It could be an amazing opportunity to see the X5 up close before it's officially released to the public. When you look at all the features and upgrades that could be coming with the X5, it's clear that this camera is shaping up to be a revolutionary product. Better battery life, improved low-light capabilities, and the possibility of swappable lenses could make this the must-have camera for creators in every niche. Insta360 has a history of pushing boundaries, and the X5 looks like it will continue that trend. That's all for today's video. If you're excited about the X5, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official release. Until next time, peace.